It's not just the inside we're upgrading. The outside also needs a little tender love and care.
The Oelo parent company has long been in the industry of emergency vehicles. This product is called Oelo. It's our permanent outdoor lighting. We're here today because we've long served American heroes. And so it just felt fitting to donate this system to the Oscar Mike Foundation. So they've got this great space here. They've got a great space on the backside with a patio. So it's going to blend in with your fascia. You're never going to see it, which means you can enjoy these lights all year round. So practically invisible by day, but expressive at night. We also have our Customizable Color App, which allows you to change it to any color. Now they have this lighting system, and no matter the event, they can break out the lights and match the colors to whatever that occasion is. We have 16 million colors, so they can go to town.